Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. Beautiful car, guys. If you've ever been to the Rod Run in Pigeon Forge, people know this guy. He sits at the same hotel. He's built a couple of these cars. They look like gassers. It's actually just a 6-inch lift spindle on the front. So you got that gasser look, but it drives like a 57 Chevy should. Killer car, factory color combination, original Onyx black with the factory two-tone black and red interior. Runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Again, I bought the car originally. Actually, my buddy from Tennessee who actually got me this car. We were together, but the car was in Tennessee, but it's an original Kansas car. Again, it's a two-door hardtop Bel Air. Those are always a pain. They drive me a little crazy. Original color combination, recent body up restoration, good, solid, straight body, guys. This thing is flat as can be. I originally sold this to a buddy of mine. I can't remember what it was, 2 years ago, and just bought it back. But he's had it down in Texas. Great car, a lot of fun. You better be a talker if you're going to buy this thing, because everywhere you go, every gas station you stop at, people want to talk to you. This car is killer. Chrome and stainless is nice. Again, it's got that slick Onyx black paint on it. There is not a whole lot to nitpick on this car, guys. Just pretty car. Just a little wax. Great sound. It's got some headers with some Smitty mufflers. Again, gorgeous black paint. Glass is nice. He's got the Fuelly emblems, but it's not a Fuelly. Pretty car right there. This is my favorite car in the building right now, man. I love this car. Like I say, fun to drive. People go crazy because, of course, it's got that gasser look. But you got suspension, so you're not banging around. Nice and straight down the sides. Touch up work right there. And that is a good looking 57 right there. "15-inch polished torque thrust 2s all the way around it. It's got a 275 BFG on the rear. It's got Wilwood front disc brakes, again with 6-inch lift spindles. You can see the inner fender wells are all powder coated and everything. Good looking car. Just a smooth running 350 Holley 4-barrel polished intake. It's got a Mallory Unite distributor in it. Finned aluminum air cleaner and valve covers. Vintage AC. Air does blow cold. Electric fan. Again, it's got billet pulleys on it. Power steering. It also has, again, power Wilwood front disc brakes. It's got a painless wiring harness in it. Of course, it's got those ceramic headers, those Smitty mufflers behind it. 350 turbohydramatic trans. Pretty car right there, man. And again, original black car. Factory red and black interior. That's hard to find. You can see how nice the A-pillar chrome is. Ed was telling me today, actually even this mirror's an option. You can get these cars without mirrors. All new two-tone interior, new carpet, new sill plates. Factory bench seat. Seats are nice, comfortable. They're all repadded, refoamed. Dome light works. Tilt column with a billet wheel. Showing 29,000. I'm sure that's 129. It's got the factory dash, factory gauges. All that stuff seems to work too. Again, it's an AC car. It works off the factory switches. It's got an aftermarket Retrosounds radio in it. Smitty mufflers. It has a stock rear end. I know he said he put floor pans in this car. No jack or spare, anything in the trunk. Yeah, I dig this car, man. Big fan. And like I say, just a blast to drive. Scott down there, him and his wife drove it for, when he first bought it, drove it a couple weekends. I didn't think this car was ever coming to Michigan. Just everywhere it looks, just a nice car, guys. Really dig it. Wipers work. Got Nathan fired up here. And the glass is nice. As soon as you kick the air on, the electric fan doesn't run. Great sound. Yeah, I dig this car right here. Someone's getting a sweetheart right here. Gauges work, speedo works. LED tail lights. Smitty's mufflers crackling. It's cool, man. Radio works. Everything opens and closes nice. Fit and finish is really nice. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. I think Nathan's got a new TikTok page going now. So, or do it the old-fashioned way. Pick up the phone, 248-620-3355. We don't mind that either.